In this video tutorial, we go on building the dashboard that you see on your screen. We will add now the image component and the dock control. The dashboard parts are hosted by a dock control, which is very useful. First, we copy the image file in the project directory. Now let's open the source code file from our current project. Let's look in the online documentation. We need the image component. We will use its image property to specify the URL to the PNG file. We create a new image component instance and assign its image property. The path to the image should point to directories above the one where the application starts. Now let's copy the code for the border component of the gauge. We will use it to put the logo in it. We rename it to image border and change its grid column to 1. We are ready to run the application. Well, of course we should set the content of the border to be the image component. And here is our dashboard. All its components are in place. Now we will add it to a dock control. We will most likely need to add the dock control to our toolbox list. Let's see first if it's already there. No. We right-click on the toolbox and then select Choose Items. We browse to the location of the UI library, and now we have all MindFusion UI controls installed. Let's drag and drop the dock control. We adjust its dock to be fill, which means it will take all the available space, which is precisely what we want. We declare a new class variable, a dock item, which will hold the dashboard. We need to import the UI namespace. We initialize the dock item and specify its head and ID properties. Other properties we need to set are the dock style, which is fill, and the content, of course. The content is the dashboard. We also need to add the dock item to the collection of items for the dock control. Let's look at the members of the dock item class in the online documentation. We might find other useful properties. The icon property seems a nice one. Okay, let's get back to our application and run it. The dashboard is in the dock control and we can move it around the screen, exactly as we want. Next time we will add this map with locations to the application, but for now we are ready. Thank you for watching and thank you for your interest in MindFusion Developer Tools.